It's Igbo O'Clock, and I bet you're learning from this channel. How about you tell me in the comment section if I'm doing well? Anyways, we have a blank space here. What is well called in Igbo? What is well called in Igbo? We're still on animal. Now we are talking about the ones that live in the water. Kaniga, let's go. Azo, fish. Akum, shark. Enyi mmiri, hippopotamus. Enyi mmiri, hippopotamus. Azo aka asato. Asato is 8. Aka, hand. Azo, fish. That is octopus. It has 8 fingers or whatever. Agi, crocodile. Agi, crocodile. Nshiko, crab. Esha, shrimp. Esan, periwinkle. Agwo, snake. We have snake that live in the water. Agwo, snake. Aiya, crayfish. Now when it comes to aiya, we have different types. We have the aiyoji, that is the black crayfish, and aiyocha, that is the white crayfish, and other forms of fishes that we can't just start naming. Did I leave anyone out? Okay, if I did, how about you use the comment section and tell me? Good learning.